Good morning, students. Yes, say your prayer. Thank you. நான் ஒரு நல்லாசிரியர். நான் உங்களுக்கு தாயாகவும் தந்தையாகவும் விருதும் முறையாக அன்போடு கல்வியை போதிப்பேன். நான் ஒரு நல்லாசிரியர். நான் உங்களுக்கு தாயாகவும் தந்தையாகவும் விருதும் முறையாக அன்போடு கல்வியை போதிப்பேன். நான் ஒரு நல்லாசிரியர். நான் உங்களுக்கு தாயாகவும் தந்தையாகவும் விருதும் முறையாக அன்போடு கல்வியை போதிப்பேன். Okay, students. So take your social science book. Take page number 118. So today we will complete the book back exercise. So in this lesson we have discussed the North Indian kingdoms. Okay, so the kingdoms of North India, especially during the medieval period. So the beginning of the medieval period. So in this lesson first we have discussed about the Rajput. So the kingdoms of Rajput. So totally there are 36 clans in Rajput, and we discussed about the 4 clans, that is Pratiharas, Palas, Chauhans, and also Chalukyas. So but we have discussed about Pratiharas, Chauhans and Palas only. Okay, then we have discussed about the contribution of Rajput to art and architecture. Then finally, so the advent of Islam. So discussed about Muhammad of Ghazni and Muhammad of Ghori. So finally in last class, so Muhammad of Ghori defeated Prithviraj Chauhan in the second battle of Tarain. So in which year the second battle of Tarain took place? 1192 AD. So in that battle, so Prithviraj Chauhan was defeated and Muhammad of Ghori established the first Islam kingdom in India. Okay, then who was the first Muslim ruler of India? Qutbuddin Aibak. So Qutbuddin Aibak was declared as the first Sultan of Delhi. Okay, so we have discussed that. Today's class we will complete the book back exercise. Okay, so take your pencil and pen. So to mark the questions. So stick pen. So for 2 mark and 5 mark we use stick pen. Okay, so keep ready. So first term letter, choose the correct answer. First question, who wrote Prithviraj Raso? So what was the Prithviraj Raso? It is a long epic poem that speaks about the life history of Prithviraj Chauhan. Okay, so who wrote Prithviraj Raso? A. Kalhana, B. Visakadatta, C. Rajasekhara, D. Chand Bardai. So who wrote Prithviraj Raso? Chand Bardai. Then second, who was the first prominent ruler of Pratiharas? Option A. Bhojavan, B. Nagabhatta I, C. Jayapala, D. Chandradeva. So which is the correct option? Nagabhatta I. So Nagabhatta I was the prominent ruler. So Bhojavan was also the ruler of Pratiharas only. So but he considered the power of Pratiharas. But before him, Nagabhatta I so was the strong ruler of Pratiharas. So option B. Nagabhatta I. Then third one, Ghazni was a small principality in A. Mongolia, B. Turkey, C. Persia, D. Afghanistan. So where is Ghazni located? I have showed you in the map. Afghanistan. Then fourth one, what was the most important cause of the invasion of Muhammad of Ghazni? So why did Muhammad of Ghazni invade India? First A. To destroy idolatry. So idolatry means statue of Hindu gods. Then B. To plunder the wealth of India. So he wanted to plunder the wealth of India. Then C. To spread Islam in India. So he wanted to spread Islam culture in India. Then D. To establish a Muslim state in India. So which one is correct? B. To plunder the wealth of India. So Muhammad of Ghazni invaded 17 times. So he made 17 raids in India. So and all of them were just to plunder the wealth of India. Then who established a Muslim state in India? Muhammad of Ghori. So he was the first Muslim ruler to establish power in India. So but here, so fourth question, option B. To plunder the wealth of India. Then second term letter, fill in the blanks. First question, Dash was the founder of Vikramasila University. So the world famous. So in ancient period. So we have some universities like Vikramasila, Nalanda University. So they were established in the beginning of medieval India. So who was the founder of Vikramasila University? The Pala king, Dharmapala. So Dharmapala was the person was the king who founded the Vikrameshila University. Then second, Arabs conquered Sindh in the year. Yeah, Sindh now it is in Pakistan. Yeah, so Arabs conquered Sindh in the year AD 712. Yeah, so who conquered Sindh? Yeah, Muhammad bin Qasim. Yeah, so here Arabs conquered Sindh in AD 712. Then third one, the city of Ajmer was founded by. So he was the founder of the Chauhan dynasty. So the famous Prithviraj Chauhan dynasty. Yeah, so he was the person who founded the Chauhan dynasty, and he was credited with founding the city of Ajmer. Who was he? Simharaji. Okay, so Simharaji. So the city of Ajmer was founded by Simharaji. Then fourth, the Kandariya temple is in which state? Yeah, Madhya Pradesh. So the Kandariya temple is in Madhya Pradesh. Then match the following. So first one, Khajuraho. So where it is located? Yeah, Bundelkhand. So Bundelkhand is in Madhya Pradesh. Then Sun Temple. So Sun Temple is in Konark. Then Dilwara Temple. It is in Mount Abu. Yeah. So these things shows the architecture skill of Rajput. Yeah, so they were belongs to the Rajput dynasties. Okay, ma. So Khajuraho, Bundelkhand, Sun Temple, Konark, Dilwara Temple, Mount Abu. Then fourth element, true or false. So Rajputra is a Latin word. So Rajputra is a Latin word. Oh, false. So Rajputra is a Sanskrit word. Okay, so Rajputra means it is a Sanskrit word. Then second, King Gopala was elected by the people. Is it true or wrong? So who was Gopala? So Gopala, so he founded the Pala dynasty, and he did not have any royal antecedent. Yeah, so but he was elected by the people. So why he was elected by the people? Yeah, for his superior capabilities. Yeah, so King Gopala was elected by the people. True. Then third one, the temple at Mount Abu is dedicated to Lord Shiva. So the temple at Mount Abu, it is Dilwara temple. It is dedicated to Jains. Yeah, so it related with Jainism. Yeah. So third question, false. Then fourth, Raksha Bandhan is a festival of brotherhood. Is it true? Yeah, true. Yeah, so can you remember the Raksha Bandhan festival? So it was first started by the Rajputs. Okay, wow. So tradition attributed to Rajputs. So nothing but, so if a woman ties a rakhi around the wrist of male members, it means they treating them like brothers. So develop brotherhood. Yeah, so fourth one, true. Fifth, Indians learned the numerals 0 to 9 from Arab. Is it true? No, false. Indians learned the numerals 0 to 9 from Arabs. It is false. So Arabs only learned the numerals 0 to 9 from Indians. Yes, Indians only. So well versed in mathematics. Yeah, so they only use the numerical number 0. Okay, ma? So it is false. So first question, Rajaputra is a Latin word. False. King Gopala was elected by the people. True. The temple at Mount Abu is dedicated to Lord Shiva. False. Fourth, Raksha Bandhan is a festival of brotherhood. True. Indians learnt the numerals 0 to 9 from Arabs. False. Then fifth kilometer, consider the following statement. Take the appropriate answer. So first, assertion reason. Assertion, the tripartite struggle was to have control over Kannauj. Reason, Kannauj was a big city. Option A, R is the correct explanation of A. B, R is not the correct explanation of A. C, A is wrong and R is correct. D, A and R are correct. Which one is correct? So, tripartite struggle was to have control over Kannauj. Assertion is correct. Reason, is Kannauj was a big city? No, Kannauj was a fertile city. Yeah, so Kannauj was a fertile region. Yeah, so option B, R is not correct explanation of A. Then second question, statement 1. Mahibala could not extend his domain beyond Benares. Statement 2. Mahibala and Rajendra Chola were contemporaries. Option A, 1 is correct. Option B, 2 is correct. Option C, 1 and 2 are correct. Then D, 1 and 3 are 2 are false. Which one is correct? Yeah, C, both statements are correct. That is 1 and 2 are correct. Then third, assertion, India's Islamic period did not begin after Arab conquest of Sindh in AD 712. Reason, Gurjara Pradigaras gave a stiff resistance to Arabs. A, R is the correct explanation of A. B, R is not the correct explanation of A. C, A is correct and R is wrong. D, A is wrong and R is correct. Which one is correct option? Yeah, A. R is the correct explanation of A. Then fourth, assertion reason. Assertion, the second battle of Tarain was lost by Prithviraj. Reason, there was disunity among the Rajput. Option A, R is the correct explanation of A. B, R is not the correct explanation of A. C, A is correct and R is wrong. D, A is wrong and R is correct. So which one is correct option? Yes, C, A is correct and R is wrong. So because when Muhammad of Ghori asked Prithviraj Chauhan to acknowledge his supremacy and became Muslim, Prithviraj rejected the proposal and prepared his army to resist the invader. So many Hindu kings and chieftains also joined with him. Okay, so option C, A is correct, but R is wrong. Then fifth, consider the following statement and find out which is or which are correct. 1. Raksha Bandhan tradition is attributed to Rajput. 2. Thakur started a mass Raksha Bandhan festival during the partition of Bengal. 3rd, Raksha Bandhan was to counter the British attempt to create a divide between the Hindus and Muslims. So option A, 1 is correct. Option B, 2 is correct. Then option 3, C, 3 is correct. Then D, all the above are correct. So which one is correct? Yeah, D, all the above are correct. Then sixth Roman letter, answer in 1 or 2 sentences. First question, write about tripartite struggle over Kannauj. So take page number 112. Yeah, so you can see in the Pradigara is getting the box, the blue color box. So there was a prolonged tripartite struggle between the Gujjar Pradigaras of Malwa, Rashtrakutas of Deccan and the Palas of Bengal, as each one of them wanted to establish their supremacy over the fertile region of Kannauj. So up to that enough. So first question. Then second, name any 4 Rajput clans. So take page number 111. So 111, right side second paragraph. Saying that the fourth line. Yeah, so the Pradigaras, the Chauhans, the Chalukyas. So then strike out different from the Deccan Chalukyas, then known as Solangis. And the Paramaras of Pavars. So that's enough. So answer for second question. Then third, who was the founder of Pala dynasty? Yeah, so just to strike out the word who, then write Gopala. Then fourth, mention the first 2 early caliphate. So take page number 115. Yeah, in that, so see the heading Advent of Islam. So in that, see the 8th line. So Advent of Islam, 8th line. Yeah, 2 early caliphates were Umayyad and the Abbasids. Then fifth, name the ruler of Sindh who was defeated by Qasim. So take page number 116. So top the box. So the Arab conquest of Sindh and its impact. In that second line. So Qasim defeated Dahir, the ruler of Sindh. Fifth question, sir. Yeah. Noted? Yeah, good. Then seventh matter, answer the following in detail. First, what was the impact of Arab conquest of Sindh? So point any 5. So take page number 116. Yeah, Arab conquest of Sindh and its impact. So second paragraph. So in that, mark the point which I am telling now. So the Arab scholars visited Sindh and studied many Indian literary works. They translated many Sanskrit books on astronomy, philosophy, mathematics and medicines into Arabic. They learned the numerals 0 to 9 from India. Then the importance of 0 was learned by them from India. It is believed that the people in the West and the Arabs learned the game of chess only from the Indians. Yeah, so these are the 5 points. Marked? Yeah. Then 8th matter, hearts. So first A, difference between Mahmud Ghazni's invasion and Muhammad Ghori's invasion. So you can write the answer in next page. So page number 121. Yeah, Muhammad Ghazni invasion. So he wanted to plunder the wealth of India. But Muhammad Ghori's invasion, he wanted to establish his empire. Yeah, he extended his empire by conquering India. Then Muhammad Ghazni, so he defeated the Hindu king Sahi. Yeah, so the Sahi king Jayapala, and paved the way for the further invasion of Muslims. Okay, then Muhammad Ghori, so he defeated Prithviraj Chauhan and established the first Muslim kingdom in India. So these are the difference. Yeah. So just so see the slide and mark it in your and write it in your book. Then B, so the box. So first battle of Terrain, second battle of Terrain. So fought in the year, first battle of Terrain, 1191 AD. Second battle of Terrain, 1192 AD. Causes for the battle, Muhammad Ghori wanted to extend his empire, so by conquering India. Then second battle of Terrain, so causes, so Muhammad of Ghori wanted to avenge his defeat in the first battle of Terrain. Then who defeated whom? So in the first battle of Terrain, Prithviraj Chauhan defeated Muhammad of Ghori, and in the second battle of Terrain, Muhammad of Ghori defeated Prithviraj Chauhan. So what was the result? Muhammad Ghori was defeated in first battle of Terrain. So second battle of Terrain, the first Muslim kingdom was established in India. Okay, so you can write in that box itself. So try to write. So by decreasing the size of your handwriting. So try to write in the box itself. So 11th room letter, answer grid. Then what happened to 9th room letter, 10th room letter? So 10th room letter, map work. So I will give you the map work. So map in when the school reopens. Then 9th room letter, students activity. So you have to complete this. So leave the first A, words plus, but write the B, timeline. So just to write the events. So say for example, so AD CE 1192. So what happened in that year? Second battle of Terrain. So like that. So write the events happened in the year which was mentioned. So 11th room letter, answer grid. So first, who was the Shahi ruler of Punjab defeated by Muhammad of Ghazni? Jayapala. Then second, Rajput style of painting is called as Rajasthani. So actually Rajput, so mostly they belong to the state of Rajasthan. So their style of painting was called as Rajasthani. Then third, how many Rajput clans were there? So we have studied the 4 Rajput clan. So the most important were 4. But how many were actually? 36. Then who listed the 36 Rajput clan? James Todd. Then fourth, who established the first Islamic empire in India? Muhammad Ghori. So Muhammad Ghori defeated Prithviraj Chauhan in the second battle of Terrain and established the first Islam empire in India. Fifth, who was the first Sultan of Delhi? Qutbuddin Aibak. Then sixth, where is Mecca? So the pilgrim center of Muslims. So where it is located? In Saudi Arabia. Mark it. So write neatly and mark the questions correctly. So if you have any doubt, so ask me and try to read. So read the 1 mark questions. So thank you. Have a nice day.